Roblox hardware ban. A hardware ban, HWID ban, means Roblox didn't just ban your account, they banned your device itself. That means even if you make a new account, reinstall Roblox, reset your IP, you'll still get banned when logging in from the same PC. It's usually triggered by exploiting scripts, third-party cheat tools, bypassing previous bans, severe TOS violations. Roblox doesn't hand these out for small stuff. How to check if it's really a hardware ban. Before panicking, confirm. Does every new account get instantly banned on the same PC? Does Roblox work normally on another device, phone, different PC? Are you getting account deleted quickly after logging in? If it only happens on one device, that's likely HDYD. Can you fix a Roblox hardware ban? I'm going to be real with you. There is no official easy fix. Roblox does not provide a hardware unban tool. Your legitimate options are appeal the ban best option. Go to Roblox support, submit a ticket, be calm and honest, don't spam them, don't threaten, don't lie. If it was a false positive, they sometimes lift it. Wait it out. Some hardware bans are temporary, weeks, months, especially if tied to anti-cheat waves. Not guaranteed, but it happens. It's a different device if you have another PC, a laptop, a mobile device. You can play there if those aren't banned. What not to do. Don't. Download sketchy HWID spoofer tools, buy unbanned services, mess with BIOS if you don't know what you're doing. Most of those are scams, install malware, make things worse. And honestly, Roblox anti-cheat is aggressive now. Trying to bypass it can get future accounts wiped instantly. If this happened to you, tell me. Was there exploiting involved, or do you think it was false? I'll give you the most realistic path forward, not fake hope.